Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best skin toners is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked steps in a skincare routine. In this video, we will explore the amazing world of skin toners, uncovering the benefits, different types, and how to choose the perfect toner to revitalize and enhance your complexion, leaving you with radiant, healthy-looking skin. Number 5. Rice Toner Milky Toner. Unveiling the secret to radiant skin. It's a game changer for hydration and luminosity, leaving your complexion refreshed and balanced. Experience the power of gomi rice extract and a blend of 4 vegetable extracts. It soothes, protects, and relieves stressed skin. Sourced from Yeoju, Korea, this special rice is rich in hemicellulose and grown in pristine conditions. It's the key to its effectiveness. It forms a protective layer, locking in moisture and eliminating dead skin cells. This leaves your skin revitalized and glowing. Shake well to blend the layers for deep moisturization and nourishment. Its milky texture provides elasticity care, suitable for all skin types. What we like? It's a milky toner that deeply moisturizes and brightens your skin. If you have dry or dull skin and are looking for a hydrating and radiance-boosting toner, you should consider this. Its unique double-layer moisturization provides intense nourishment and leaves your skin with a healthy glow. What people say. This toner is absolutely excellent and leaves my skin feeling incredibly hydrated and moisturized, which is perfect for combating dry skin in the colder weather. It hydrated my skin and got rid of all of my dark spots. It's a combination of a milky texture and a super light rice oil, I believe. It completely nourishes the skin with no stickiness or oiliness. It also lasts quite a long time. I've bought it 5 times and they last me about 3 months with 2x use, and I drench my skin. I've also noticed faded dark spots and overall brightness over time, and this is the only toner I've used for almost a year. Number 4. Glow Recipe PHA+BHA Toner. It harnesses the power of Korean beauty philosophies. It hydrates, exfoliates, and uses amino-rich ingredients to retain moisture and soothe your skin. This hydrating toner is perfect for all skin types. It contains watermelon, cactus water, and hyaluronic acid for deep, lasting hydration. It uses polyhydroxy acids, PHAs, to gently remove buildup and smooth skin. BHAs and tea tree extract help clean and decongest pores without irritation. After cleansing, gently press it onto your face and neck until absorbed. You can use your hands or a cotton pad. Remember to follow with sunscreen during the day. It's free of parabens, mineral oil, sulfates, phthalates, drying alcohols, and synthetic dyes. It's also vegan and cruelty-free. It's a gentle exfoliator that helps to unclog pores and reveal brighter, smoother skin. Always do a patch test before first use. What we like? This toner gently exfoliates and minimizes the appearance of pores while keeping your skin hydrated. If you are looking for a toner that refines your skin texture and reduces pores without irritation, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to achieve a smoother, more refined complexion. What people say. It didn't leave my face feeling sticky. It was very smooth. It's thick enough for it to melt into your skin. It's minimizing the pores in my skin. It's kinda that glass skin effect and I like the smell. Tried the travel size and it's lasted me 2 months so far and I use every day, sometimes twice. Unlike astringent toners, it doesn't sting or dry me out. It's soothing, absorbs quickly, and smells incredible. Number 3. NUMBUZIN No.3 Toner. It's a rich and nourishing toner. It's packed with fermented ingredients to revive dull skin, improve radiance, and tighten pores. This toner contains 50 fermented ingredients, like bifida ferment and rice ferment. These provide deep hydration and nourishment for glowing skin. It's clinically proven to improve skin radiance, elasticity, and pore size in just 2 weeks. Results are even better when used with the No.3 serum. It's great for dry, oily, combination, and sensitive skin. It's especially helpful for dull, tired skin, enlarged pores, and textured skin. Simply apply it to your face with your hands, or for extra dry areas, soak a cotton pad and use it as a mini mask. Unveiling radiant, healthy-looking skin with NUMBUZIN No.3 Toner. It's your secret to a brighter, more even complexion. What we like? This essence toner is packed with fermented ingredients to improve skin radiance and tighten pores. If you have dull skin and want to improve its overall texture and glow, you should definitely consider this. It's clinically tested to deliver visible results, leaving your skin looking healthier and more radiant. What people say. It has a very mild fresh scent that dissipates immediately, but the fresh feeling lasts until you apply product over it. Calming to my sensitive skin, using along with the No.3 serum and seeing noticeable skin softening effects. It leaves my skin incredibly soft and I can't imagine using anything else. It provides the right amount of moisture and evens out the pH in my skin after washing it. Number 2. L'Oréal Paris HydraFresh Toner. Experience the refreshing sensation of HydraFresh Toner. It's a gentle, alcohol-free formula that leaves your skin feeling soft and revitalized. It sweeps away dullness, revealing brighter, more radiant skin. The beta-hydroxy acid gently exfoliates without harshness. Provitamin B5 helps protect your skin's natural moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated and healthy. This helps prevent dryness. See the difference. It leaves your skin feeling smoother, brighter, and more supple. It's the perfect addition to your skincare routine. Simply apply it to your face with a cotton ball, both morning and night. It's that easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Rest assured, it's 99% alcohol-free and dermatologist tested for gentle use on even the most sensitive skin. What we like. It's a gentle, alcohol-free toner that refreshes and softens your skin. If you have sensitive skin and want a simple, effective toner to brighten your complexion, this is a great option. It's dermatologist tested and leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. What people say. The skin feels so soft after using it, and the fragrance is so nice. It makes it feel fresh. Removes any excess makeup that was left behind. Smells amazing, softens skin. Number 1. TruSkin Daily Facial Toner. It's formulated with ocean minerals and other powerful ingredients. This toner is a simple addition to your routine for refreshed, healthy-looking skin. It's power-packed with peptides and anti-aging ingredients. It freshens and tones your skin, leaving it nourished and smooth. Simply apply it daily after cleansing. Gently spray it onto your face and neck, or use a cotton pad. Always patch test before first use. It's carefully balanced with key antioxidants and nourishing botanicals. It delivers skin-friendly benefits without unnecessary additives or fragrances. It's Leaping Bunny certified cruelty-free. It's manufactured and bottled in the USA with globally sourced components. It's also dermatologist and clinically tested. What we like. This toner is a powerhouse of anti-aging ingredients that brightens and revitalizes your skin. If you're looking for a multitasking toner that addresses multiple skin concerns, this is it. It's packed with potent ingredients to improve skin texture, tone, and overall appearance. What people say. It's made my skin more supple and beautiful. It does not look as dull or blah as it used to. I could see and feel the difference almost immediately. All of the TruSkin products I've tried instantly gave my skin a youthful, fresh, tight, glowing appearance. The cleanser is light, you don't need a lot, and it does not leave your skin feeling dry. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.